grams of flour, 5 grams of salt, 8 grams of sugar, 2 sliced onion, 8 grams of chopped garlic, 20 grams of sliced black olives, 10 grams of basil, 5 grams of rosemary, 9 grams of yeast and 2 grams of sea salt at around 140 to 160 ml of water. Now we'll add some salt in the flour. Sugar, yeast. We'll add water and melt the sugar. Now we'll add the olive oil. Now the focaccia dough is ready. We'll keep it for fermenting in an oiled bowl for 20 minutes till it doubles in size. By the time the dough is fermenting, we'll saute the onions and garlic. Heat a pan, add some olive oil. Now the oil is heated. We'll add the sliced onions and chopped garlic and just sweat it till the onion is nice transparent. Now the onions are nice transparent. As you can see, they have changed their color. Now we'll remove it from the range and we'll allow it to cool in a bowl. Now our dough has been rested and it has been fermented. As you can see, it has doubled in size. We'll remove it from the bowl, transfer it on the table and we'll punch the dough. Now we'll add half amount of our sauteed onion and garlic, rosemary, half amount of basil, half amount of sliced olives, and we'll mix this into the dough. We have greased a tray with oil. We are going to use an 8-inch cake ring for making the focaccia. We'll slightly brush it with oil, olive oil again. We'll place it in the baking tray. Now we'll take our dough and with the help of the fingers, we are going to spread it inside the cake ring. Now we'll add our remaining amount of all the sauteed onions, olives, rosemary and basil, and we'll just give a finger impression on it. For resting again till it doubles in size for 20 minutes. We'll sprinkle some sea salt on it. And we'll bake it at 200 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes till it is nice golden brown in color. Now 25 minutes are over. We'll remove a focaccia. As you can see, it is nice golden brown in color. Now we'll demold it. Slightly lift the ring. Now we'll use a dough scraper and shift our focaccia onto a cooling rack so that it cools down. We'll allow our focaccia to cool down for 10-15 minutes and then we'll serve it. Now our focaccia has been cooled. We'll remove it from a cooling rack and we'll cut a slice of it. Our focaccia is ready to serve.